Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. It's been a while since I did a painting, but I think that with all that happened, with everything that you know, we are in confinement, and it's a painting that I did thought to make a long time ago, but now I think it's very appropriated. So I think it's going to be nice. Well, nice. We'll see. It's going to be a mix between pouring, realism, and abstract. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. Okay guys, so now you see what I wanted to do. I think that with all that the event that happens, I think it's a nice mix between science fiction and realism, because I think that what we live in, it's like living in a film, a science fiction film, and we are the actors, but we don't know what's going to happen, but we're all going to pay for it. Something is sure, that with all that it happens, we're going to pay economically for years to come. I think it's going to change the way the humans are interactive within each other. I think they're going to be more scared to throw money around, and they're going to be a little bit more scared to travel. So it's going to have an impact. I think the impact is going to be negative, but I think on the long run it's going to re-establish itself, but we have a long way to go. So listen, that's what I wanted to reflect in my subject that I mean. So as you can see, it's a family. You have the son, his dad, the mother, and the daughter beside her, and a small dog beside them both, and they're assisting to what is happening with the pouring. The pouring represent the change. So I think that those people represent us. We can see what is going on, but we don't know what's going to happen. So I think, well, I think it's the deepest one that I did. I did it from the heart. You know, it's really something that I feel that it's something that we're living right now. It's the moment. Anyway, guys, listen. Thanks for being there, but don't forget to subscribe, because that's the most important thing for us. You know, it doesn't cost nothing, and it's a lot for us, because as you know, YouTube doesn't pay a lot, and even since December it's going down, but now with everything that's going on, it's the worst. So at least if you subscribe, it gives us more credibility to YouTube. So it's kind of encouraging. So guys, thanks for being here, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. So guys, take care. We're gonna go over this. We're gonna get through. It's gonna be sunny at the end of the tunnel. So let's take care of ourselves, and let's come back for another video. So take care, guys. Ciao.